Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Vocational Door. So, today we will be discussing a famous interview problem which is move zeros. So, in this problem, you will be given an integer array which will be consisting of 0 and non-zero elements. So, like this, we can see there is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, and in output, we need to send the array which is having all the non-zeros number towards the left side and all the zeros we will need to shift to the right side, which will be the end of the array. And also we need to keep one thing in our mind, like we need not to create any copy of the array to make it space efficient. So we will discuss like how to solve it and what will be the approach for this. So we will take this as our example array and we will see how to solve it. So there could be one possible solution, like where we can create a integer array with the same length, which is 5 in this case, and then we can iterate one loop. We can check if the current element is non-zero, then we can fill that. And in Java, default values are 0, so after non-zeros, so 0 will be there by default, so that will be our final answer. But that will not be a space efficient solution because we are creating another array. So to make it space efficient, what we can do, we can consider one pointer. So suppose let me take one pointer. So like this, we will take one pointer and we will check if at this index current element is 0 or non-zero. If it will be 0, we will move our pointer, and then again we will check if the current element will be non-zero, which is 1. So 1 is non-zero, so we will fill it. Again we will move ahead, so it will be 0. Then again we will move pointer. It is 3, so 3 is a non-zero, we will fill it. Again we will move ahead, so that will be 12. So that is also non-zero, we will fill that. So after this, we can see three elements are filled from the start of the array. Then after this, what we can do, we can use another condition of while loop and till the length of this array, and we can fill the remaining elements with 0. So like this, our final array will be ready, where all the elements which are maintaining the relative sequence, like first is 1, then 3, then 12, and those are moving to the left side and all the zeros are moving to the right side. In this way, we will be having our final answer, and this is a space optimized solution for this problem. So after understanding the theoretical part, we can understand like how we will solve it. So as I said, first we will initialize one pointer named as the index, and we will give the initial value as 0. Then we will start iterating loop from 0 till the length of this array, and we will check if index is non-zero. If the value of element is non-zero, then only we will assign it to the nums of index. And then after assigning it, we will increment our index. So in this way, all the non-zero elements will be shifted towards the left side, maintaining the relative sequence. And so once these all the non-zero elements will be moved to the left side, we can fill our remaining part of the array, which is like in this case two elements space are remaining, so we can fill the zero values for them. So in this way we will be having our final array where all the non-zero elements are on the left side and all the zeros are moved to the right side. Now we can jump to see how we will solve it with Java language on the LeetCode. Okay, so we can start solving this problem. As I said, first we will initialize one pointer named as index and we will give 0 as an initial value. After that, we need to initialize one for loop from the 0 index till the length of the array, which will be nums dot length. And inside that, what we need to check, we need to check if the current element is non-zero or not. If it will be non-zero, then what we need to do, we need to first assign this to the index of the nums, so which will be nums of I, and after that we need to increment our index. So we will do like this. So by this, non-zero elements will be assigned, and after that what we can check while our index is less than nums of length, which is the length of our array. In this case, we need to assign the values this index plus plus to the 0, like that. So our code is complete. We will now run it. So we can see the cases are getting passed. Now we need to submit it to check if all the cases are getting passed or not. Okay, so we can see like all the cases are getting passed, and as per given condition, we have not created any copy of the array. So we have used the same array, and so it is a space optimized and solution. So thank you for watching my video. If you guys are having any feedback for this, you can let me know. Thank you. Happy learning.